And what is happening, bro? I don't know if it's because I live on the top floor, but all the storms and everything is like extra crazy. Look at all this. Oh no, my solar lights. Oh, that's gonna be ripped. But that's still working though. Okay. Yeah, this is crazy. It's crazy storms. Let's see what we can see. Man, this sounds right now. What is this? Like, is it coming from here? Oh man, this is crazy. Close this. Oh man, is this snow? I think it's. Oh man, yo, this is gonna break. Holy shit. Okay. Okay, you know what? We'll just leave it like that. I'm not sure. Anyway, damn, that's a crazy storm right now. What is this storm? Whoa, dude, look at that. That's crazy. That is crazy. Some kind of snow storm, snow water storm. What the hell? Oh man, do I dare go outside? Oh shit. Okay, we're doing it.